This actually totally happened.
What?
I feel like the reason why
Dude,
these
fucking
posts
ladybug.
appear so frequently online is because face to face, you know, I can tell when people are lying.
Lady cuck.
I'm pretty good at it. I think most people can
If you
tell
bite
when
me,
someone's lying. We don't really want to confront
Whoa,
people
that
face to
scared the
face.
fuck out of
We don't
me.
really necessarily.
Sorry, it started
it's easier to just go,
flying.
wow, what a cool story, instead of going.
The fucking-
I don't believe that happened.
Fucking flipped your dog out, dude. Samster, calm down, dude.
No.
Jeez.
I didn't want it to fly in my face.
So what the fuck was going on with the dog?
that was me.
No way.
Dude,
No.
That was
No.
me. No, dude, that was me.
There's no... That definitely sounded like you just beat a dog or you just stepped on a dog.
Nah, that was me, dude. Jesus.
No, play that shit back. I know you're recording. Play. How to shit your pants 101, dude.
What did it sound good?
It sounded like a fucking dog. What do you mean it sound good? No, it didn't sound good. It scared the shit out of me. What type of question is that? It didn't sound good.
I thought, come on, dude. I thought, alright.
I thought you were beating your dog while you're stomping a ladybug. It's like there's too much going on right now.
Alright.
I thought you were freaking out because of the ladybug, and I thought you tried to hit the ladybug, and I thought you scared your dog at the same time, so your dog was freaking out. He has no clue what's going on. He's like, oh shit, what's happening? He's like, oh, it's a ladybug. Your dog starts barking at the ladybug.
Come here, you cuck.
Pretty good at it. I think most people can
If you
tell
bite
when
me, I'm
someone's
I just heard it through your mic.
Oh my god.
It's a fucking dog.
Alright, I'm gonna turn it up super loud so that you can hear it, and I'm gonna take my earbuds off. No,
God
dude, there's
damn
no way. That sounds so good.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my god, Jesus Christ.